Hello, citizens of the world. This is Joe Westerberg reporting from Duluth, Minnesota with the blizzard of leap year 2012. Oh my God, we're getting snow like you wouldn't believe it. Piles of it everywhere. It's like it's coming down in waves. Wind gusts of like 50 miles an hour. It's crazy. Waves in Lake Superior, they're going over the banks. They're attacking the shores like you've never seen before. Oh, the humanity, please, someone come help us. Duluth, Minnesota, we're inundated with snow. Weather Channel reporter hasn't been seen since about 7:30 this morning. It's crazy. If you haven't gone out and gotten your groceries, do so now. Go out, get your pizzas. Order some Chinese food. Stay indoors where it's safe. Oh my God, the humanity. Oh, cars are stuck. Power lines are down. Transformers are busted. It's crazy. Oh, the humanity, I'm just shocked.